Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahi walhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir. Rabbi wa tammim bil khair. Allahumma ja'alil Qur'ana rabi'a qulubina wa nura sudurina. Allahumma ameen. So we are going to start our today's session. Yesterday we have practiced after just doing attached pronoun, detached pronouns, and we had practiced in our homework assignment about the recognition of attached and detached pronoun from any random page of Quran. So today in first some about 10 to 12 minutes, I would just focus that we should have the most important thing, whatever we have covered so far, we should uh, actually prepare ourselves for to remember all these words. This is very important. Without the practicing on these, memorizing these words, bringing them on our fingertips, it's not possible to proceed. So I would just request before starting our class that we should just after the class even and just make some standard just rule or whatever that after the class at least for every lecture we should spend 10 to 15 minutes 10-minute daily, and it are just 20 to 30 minutes in a week. That will be enough. But as we go off into next and more sessions, you will see that as we'll proceed, we will have more vocabulary, more rules. So best way is that just to uh, bring it on your fingertips and bring it under your control. What we have to do, slides are available, material is available. Just you have to go through it and just try to memorize and practice whatever we do in the class. So today, first, this is first thing. This was detached pronouns. So first we will practice. So I will just take participation from the class so that we should remember them and just we see that where we are, and then inshallah we will just do it. So I would just randomly select someone, and so please don't hesitate to participate in the class. If there is an issue, just you can put a listener at the end. But this is just a class, so everybody I should expect to participate in. I will just start with Mohsin.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Mohsin. Mohsin, your task is if I say that we are Muslims, so what will be Arabic for that?
نحن مسلمون.
Nahnu Muslimun. And if I say you are Muslim,
أنا مسلم.
you.
You. أنت مسلم.
Anta Muslim. And what about I am Muslim
أنا مسلم.
and you all are Muslims?
أنتم مسلمون.
Antum Muslimun. So
Okay.
important thing here. Thank you, Mohsen. So
Thank you, sir.
we should just know the meaning of at least huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. These nouns, the sum of nouns, we should know that when we will do it again and again, they will be in our mind. Muslim mean Muslim, mu'min believer, abid worshipper, nasir helper, sajid prostrator, salihun a good man, the one who does good, mukhlisun a sincere, and plural is just own here. Okay, so now I would go to next one. I would choose for here Imad. I see one. Okay, Jawad, I would go to you. Jawad. Walaikum salam, Jawad. Jawad, so my question will be, if we have just, if you look at the vocabulary just for 5 seconds here, and then I will ask you the question. Just important thing is from here, the attached pronoun, we should at least know that his or him is pointing to, it is for who, there are them for whom, ka for your, come you all, e me, or my, na us. So the question is, your book,
Kita buka.
ta book, and our books, our book.
كتابنا.
And my book,
كتابي.
kitabi. And your Lord,
ربك.
Rabbuka. Thank you, Jawad. Thank
ويا.
you. So I would go to Brother Asad Aziz. Okay. I would go to Muhammad bin Talha.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Welcome.
Muhammad is there?
Muhammad is not here. He's
Okay,
not with
Umar.
Umar. Both of them are off today. I will
Okay,
update the.
Talha. Okay, Brother Talha, I will take you. I just saw the name here.
Yeah.
So if I will go with you that I am helper.
I am helper. Helper is Nasirun.
Yeah, so I am helper will be
Okay. So Ana Nasirun.
Nasir. And we are helpers.
Nahnu Nasiruna.
Nahnu Nasirun. You are helper.
Anta Nasirun.
And they are helpers.
Hum Nasiruna.
Hum Nasirun. Okay. Our next one is my messenger.
My messenger. Okay. So Rasuli.
Yes. And messenger of you all.
Messenger of you all. Rasulukum.
His messenger.
Okay. His messenger Rasuluhu.
And our messenger.
Our messenger is our messenger.
Yes.
Okay, Rasuluna.
Rasulun. Our messenger. Okay. Thank you. So I would go to someone with name Rauf. Brother Rauf.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Yes.
So if I ask you that we are believers,
نحن مؤمنون.
I am believer,
أنا مؤمنون.
you are believer,
أنت مؤمنون.
and you all are believers.
أنتم مؤمنون.
Antum mu'minun. Okay, thank you very much. So this practice is very important. That first, if we just we have huwa hum antum ana nahnu, and this is the translation: he, they, you all, I, and we. I would expect that in breakout room, inshallah, today we will also practice on this thing. And similarly, if we look at this, we have the vocabulary of very important noun. All these nouns are from Qur'an. So we should know the meaning of this. So it will help us. And one thing that first we should know the meaning, for example, Rabb, Lord, Deen, religion, and then we have to attach with the attached pronouns, and then it will be easy for us to remember the meaning. Okay, I would go to Brother Hikmah, Zulkifli Hikmah. If he is not responding, or okay, Turhan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Yeah, Turhan. Turhan, Deen. Do you know the meaning of Deen?
Religion.
Yes, religion. And if I ask you to join this Deen with all attached pronoun first, make 6 and then translate it. So it will be?
Dinuhu,
Yes.
his religion. Dinuhum, their religion. Dinuka, your religion. Dinukum, religion of you all. Dini, my religion. Dinuna, our religion.
Our religion. If I say their religion, what will be Arabic for that?
Dinuhum.
Dinuhum. My religion?
Dini.
Dini. Very good. MashaAllah. Turhan. Good job. So if I choose from here, Abdul Samad, Brother Abdul Samad. Okay, so no response. So I would go to Hiba. Wa alaikum assalam. Hiba. Do you know the meaning of qawmun? Okay, let me tell you and just don't forget this. Qawmin means nation.
Okay.
Qawmin means
Nation.
nation. So my nation, what will be Arabic for that?
Qawmi.
And our nation,
Qawmuna.
his nation.
Qawmuhu.
Okay, what is the meaning of a'malun?
Deeds.
Deeds. Our deeds will be
A'maluna.
your deed of you all.
A'malukum.
My deeds,
A'mali.
his deeds.
A'maluhu.
A'maluhu. Thank you. So this is the way that we have to practice it. So it will not take much time. It will not take. Azan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, ya Azan. Okay. Azan, I will start just a practice here for you. Just so if I ask, do you know the meaning of mukhlisun?
No.
Okay, yesterday we did even in practice. If you was in class, because we used in one of the ayah. Let me tell you the meaning of mukhlisun means sincere. Repeat it.
Mukhlisun means sincere.
What is the plural of mukhlisun?
Mukhlisun.
Mukhlisun. Now, okay, can you please join all detached pronoun with mukhlisun or mukhlisun? Go ahead with translation.
هو مخلص هم مخلصون أنت مخلص أنتم مخلصون أنا مخلص نحن مخلصون.
Now with translation, ya Azan.
هو مخلص he is sincere هم مخلصون they are sincere أنت مخلص you are sincere أنتم مخلصون you all are sincere أنا مخلص I am sincere نحن مخلصون you all are sincere.
You all are sincere. Thank you very much. So I would go with you with the next. So stay there. So this is the only thing that we should know the meaning of these 6 detached pronouns. So it is very important just to bring them on fingertips. We should know that. This is, inshallah, it will come here. And then the important thing here, all important. Okay, Azan, my next question. Do you know the meaning of sabilun?
No.
Okay. We have already the slides. If you look at the slides, and what is the meaning of sabilun now?
path
Okay. So what is the meaning of sabil?
sabil means path.
Can you please join sabil with all attached pronoun and with translation?
Sabiluhu, his path. Sabiluhum, their path. Sabiluka, your path. Sabilukum, path of you all. Sabili, my path. Sabiluna, our path.
Our path. Thank you very much. So here, just we have just in front of us, just there is a one slide, and there is lot of vocabulary here. First, we should know the meaning of all this list given. It will, inshallah, will build up more, but these are the most used, and so we should know the meaning of this one, and then after knowing the meaning, we should attach them, join them with attached pronouns, and then try to find 6 more words with it. His Lord, my Lord, your Lord, and this. So if we just, I would just ask the whole class 30 seconds, just look at this slide, and then we'll go to the next one. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next practice. We have these very important. They are preposition and some other nouns. So we should know the meaning of all this. What is the li, min, an, bi, ala, fi, ila, inda, ma'a. Very important. For every ayat, you will see these preposition or whatever they have, we have. And if we join this with the attached pronoun, we will have more meaning. And they are used, mostly used with attached pronouns. take anything like ala. So join this ala with attached pronouns. It will be alayhi, alayhim, alayka, alaykum, alayya, alayna. Next thing is ala means, so we should know. We already have the slides. So just ala means upon, alayhi upon him, alayhim upon them, alayka upon you, alaykum upon you all, alayya upon me, alayna upon us. It did not take even a 1 minute. And in just less than 1 minute, what happened? We are just make intention and motivate yourself. We are doing Qur'an, and there is a lot of reward in spending some time. And just see here, in that 1 minute, less than 1 minute, what I did first, I see ala, then I look at its meaning, and then I join this ala with all attached pronouns, and then I should bring it on fingertips, and then we will use it. And you will, there is a lot of use. Even when we go for prayer, yesterday, Assalamu alayka ya ayyuhan nabiyyu. Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. Every time we say, Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin. Again and again, they are coming everywhere. So we should know that. Li, for, min, from, an, about, ala, fi, ila, inda. And there are many, we can add them, but just for to make it simple, in this foundation level, we see that. And there is another list at the end of this level 0 material. You will see all these are the most commonly used word. Just it cannot be done just in a one go. We should just make a target that every day I will spare 10 minutes and I will just see all these, their meaning will be there. Second day, second column. Third day, fourth, and 5 days. Just take 5 days, every day 10 minutes on one column. What will happen? This will not be used only in one surah, one chapter. For whole Quran, they are very important. So let me just here, let's do some practice here for the vocabulary. Let me start with the there I see Ahmad Asif. Okay, so no response. I would go to brother Ahsan Mamtaz.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, Ahsan bhai. So let me give you ila. Ila means
Words.
words. Now next task is Ahsan bhai, just join this ila with attached pronouns.
Ilahu, ilahu, ilahum, ilaka, ilakum, ilayyi, ilayna.
So see here, so this is very important. Just once for all, we should learn. There is a ya. So this is here. It is used to just stretch. We ilah, but when we join it, it will not be ilahi. It will be ilayhi in all these three cases. Alayhi, fihi, ilayhi. Do it again, please.
Ilayhi, ilayhum,
Him.
ilayhim, ilayka, ilaykum, ilayyi, ilayna.
Ilayya. Let's say ilayya.
Ilayya,
Then
ilayna.
Elena. Now, the next task is to do it again with translation. Ilayhi,
Ilayhi, towards him. Ilayhim, towards them. Ilayka, towards you. Ilaykum, towards you all. Ilayyi, towards me. Ilayna, towards us.
and this is, I said, we should say, let's do it. Ilayya.
Ilayya, sorry,
Yeah.
ilayya.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Asandi. Thanks for helping. So I would go to Nisar.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum assalam, Nisar. So your task is, what is the meaning of li?
For.
For. Now next task is join this li with all this attached pronoun.
Lahu, lahum, laka, lakum, li, lana. Lahu,
Translation.
lahu, for him, lahum, for them, laka, for you, lakum, for you all, li, for me, lana, for us.
for us. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So here, what is important thing here, vocabulary will build up. There are the nouns, and time will come that inshallah we will even attach the verbs with that, but only the noun. Noun meaning will be there. We need you know the meaning. This is where who, ta, ya, na. Rabbana lakal hamd. Laka. Laka means for you. Rabbana, oh our Lord, laka, for you. Alhamd, all praises and thanks. So they are there, used is there. Only thing that we have to spare the time and just we have to practice here. So we just spend, I think, 18 to 20 minutes just to revise the meaning, and it will be easy, inshallah. Only it needs practice, nothing else. Everything will be very easy. And just these are the most commonly used word. As I said, we will not go to just go. I don't expect that everybody should do the whole slide just in one go. Just look at here, the first column. Haza mean this, zalika that, in if, inna indeed, and that, anna that. Here, they seem, if we look at them, they look similar, but they have different meaning. First, in, if. This is not in, this is inna, indeed. An, that, anna, that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just have to repeat again and look at that. This is in, this is inna, an and an. And sometimes it helps us that if we take a notebook, just write the Arabic word if possible, and then the meaning. And then we have lakin. Lakin mean but. Just lakin, remember it, and you will see in Quran how many times it's there. Ulaika, those. Haulai, these. So if you look at there, haza mean this, and haulai, these. Meaning it's plural of haza is haulai. We will do it again and again, but just once. This is these. Zalika, that. Ulaika, those. Again, haza, this. Haulai, these. Zalika, that. Ulaika, those. And then we have for this thing, in, if, inna, indeed, and that, anna, that. So just I will give a minute that everybody just look on the first column. No need to go to the second column. And then we will do the practice on this, and we will see that how we can retain them. Okay. Anusha. Anusha, you there?
Yes, assalamu
Walaikum salam, yeah, Anusha. Okay. Just your task is these four, like Hamza and Noon. So first is in. What is the meaning? If.
if
Inna,
indeed
an,
that
anna.
anna means
No problem. Let's go back.
oh it's the same thing anna that
Yes. So there is no problem. Everything is in. Just we have to practice, and we will use them again and again. In Quran, they will come again and again. So it will. Thank you. Okay. Temia.
yes
Okay, Temia. Lakin.
lakin but
Okay. Haza.
this
What is the plural of haza? Ulaika or haulai?
haulaika
Haulaika.
haulai
What is the meaning?
these
These. And what is zalika?
that
And what is plural of zalika?
ulaika
Ulaika. Can you please tell me the meaning of this? In,
in if
inna,
indeed
an,
that
anna,
that
that. That's it. Thank you. So this is all about the vocabulary. So we have to go today to the next topic today. This is just, we did not do anything new up till now. Just we had practiced whatever we did. Whenever we do it again and again, every time we will build up our vocabulary and our learning curve will go up. So no need to worry about that. Just we need time. Nothing is difficult, inshallah. And we should ask every time, we should pray, Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Rabbi, Rabbi means my, oh my Lord. Zidni, Rabbi, zidni ilma. Rabbi, zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase me in knowledge. So, and inshallah, Allah will help us to gain this knowledge. Okay. Now we had in all previous classes, we started with word, and when we have the any word, so it can be a, we said that it can be a noun, it can be a harf, or it can be verb or fi'il. We have seen the example related to noun like rab, sabil, qawm, and then attached pronouns, detached pronouns. And similarly, we have already seen some example of harf like fi, min, ala, these example, and we attach them, we join them with attached pronouns, and then we translate it. Today, we are going to start our third important thing, and that is verb. Verb means, in Arabic, we say fi'il, fa'ain lam, fi'il, verb. Verb actually, what is the verb? Verb basically tell us about an action with respect to the time. Verb. So what is verb? Verb tell us about an action with respect to time. When we say respect to time, it can be either it happen past tense, present tense, or future tense. This is what we already knew that. So verb is basically, it tells us, it is a word that tells us about an action with respect to time. That time can be past tense, present tense, and future tense. This is okay. That's it. Now, next thing is we will use some terminologies in Arabic. In Arabic language, it will become more easy. That one will be past tense. Okay, we will see that. But present and future tense, they will have the same similar word. There will be no always present tense and future, they will be same. So here only these things we have to remember, that present and future will together. Past tense in Arabic we will say fi'lul madi, and present and future will together, and we will say them fi'lul mudari'. Nothing have to remember. Just we will repeat this again and again. But first, verb. Yes, it tells us about an action with respect to time. What does it mean, time? Time mean it can be past tense, present, or future. The past tense, we will say it in Arabic, al-fi'lul madi. And present and future will together, and fi'lul mudari'. These terms, don't worry about these terminologies. By practice, they will be in our mind. Today, we will just look at that, how we can make the past tense. And past tense in Arabic, we will see that fi'lul madi. So when we finish today's class, so we will see the example of fi'lul madi, that how are in Arabic we say the fi'lul madi. But before going into Arabic, what is our target language is English. If you look at this table, and past, fi'lul madi, past is also called fi'lul madi. In past tense, he did, they did, you did, you all did, I did, we did. One thing, this order will remain same throughout the course. He, then they, you all, I, we. This is past. He did. We don't have any problem to understand. He did, they did, you all did, I did, we did. If we see that now, next our why we are here, just to learn that past tense, fi'lul madi, how we can say it in Arabic, he did. First things comes in our mind, if he did, after studying the detached pronouns, first thing that just straight away comes in our mind, that he means He is basically huwa. They is whom. You is anta. You all is antum. I, ana, we, nahnu. And the first thing straight away comes in our mind, that first thing will come huwa, and for did, there will be some Arabic word. Similarly for other, whom, did, anta, did, antum, did, ana, did. So here first things come in our mind. Okay. But it will not be. This will not be the case. But first thing, everybody agrees that we knew that in English, this is he, they, you all, I, we. This order will remain same, starting from detached pronouns, attached pronouns, and now we are just trying to open the uh, door for Fa'lul Madi. This he will, he, they, you all, I will. So first thing we will take this after that we should know after some time that what we say in Arabic, he did, they did, you all did, I did, we did. So this is here. The first thing, this is normally we start with he, and this is called the starting verb. And we always start with Madi. After that, we will do the past, and after this, we will do present and future, and that will be together. So this is fa'ala. First thing you have to look, there are 3 letters. Fa, ain, lam. Don't worry about that word, but see here, what's going on. I have written 6 sentences in past in order for he, they, you all. And what is happening here in Arabic, if you just look at that, don't worry about the construction or what's going on. Ending shape. First, there was fa'ala. In the second, it is fa'alu. Ending shape is changing. In the third, fa is there, ain is there, lam is there. The ending is changing. Fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. So what is happening? The ending, if you see the ending, a, u, ta, tum, tu, na. This is very important. So first thing is fa'ala. Starting word is fa'ala. He did. There is no need to put huwa with that because he, that doer, he is inside it of this verb. That huwa, whom, they are detached pronouns. We will use them for noun. But here, fa'ala, he did. There is action. When action was done in past. So fa'ala, he did. 3 letters. Fa, ain, lam. They are important. And what's next? Fa, ain, lam, and then for the plural, fa'alu. Waw is for the plural. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. Throughout the course, major portion of this course will be about the verb construction. And in Quran, when you will see that, because there is action words and they are action, most of there are action words and they are verb. And you will not forget, for every verb, shape will be, ending shape will be same. U, ta, tum, tu, na. This is starting verb. The fa'ala, he did. What about they? U. And for you, ta. You all, tum. And for myself, I, this is tu. And for us or we, it is na. So fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. We do it with the TPI. If you look at the screen, I will just try to demonstrate it here. So again, my right hand and singular, this is for plural. And for third person on the right side, singular, third person on the right side, plural. Second person in the front, you all. First person, I, we. This is the only, just we have to think, just join this, whatever action you are doing and what you are saying. Not by this only doing by this for everything, no. Third person, he, they, only 6 things. He, they, you, you all, I, we. Now I will do with this verb fa'ala. Fa'ala is a one word. This is the starting, and you will see that how will change. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta. Just focus on the ending sound. Fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. Okay, with translation. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. And you will see that how it will be easy. I will just give one task to some just totally new student. Let me ask here. I see brother Ikram Khan.
Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Walaikum assalam. So your task is, everybody please focus here. I am going to give him one task and he will just make another 6 words. Just brother Ikram, your task is replace fa with jim. Don't think about the meaning. Just instead of fa, when you put jim, so what, how you will it goes? Go ahead.
Ja'ala,
Keep going.
ja'alu,
Keep going.
ja'alta,
Okay.
ja'altum, ja'altu, ja'alna.
Very good. You are there. So this is fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. Next task was just replace fa with jim. There is another word, ja'ala. It's not important every time there will be ayn and lam, but just similar word. Instead of fa, there is jim. Fa'ala means he did. Ja'ala, if I tell you the meaning, ja'ala means he made. So then it will be ja'ala, he made. Okay, brother Akram Khan, just go ahead and just make it ja'ala, he made, and make it, please.
You want me to do the Arabic and English?
Arabic and English, yes.
Ja'ala, he did.
And that's it.
Ja'alu.
Ja'ala is a new word. So ja'ala means he made.
Oh, yes. Ja'ala means he made. Ja'alu means they made. Ja'alta means you made. Ja'altum means you all made. Ja'altu means I made. Ja'alna means we made.
He made. Thank you very much. So you
Sure.
see here that one thing that in verb we don't use the detached pronouns. They are inside of that. And how you will recognize the simple fa'ala is U is basically, it will just help you to remember that is they. Ta will give you the sign that is you. Tum, you all. Tu, I, na, we. First, this will be anything, any verb. Just in simplest example to make it similar, just we just chose one word that just let us replace fa with jim, so it will become ja'ala. This is a totally new verb, and ja'ala means he made. So now we have learned 2 things. One thing, fa'ala means he did, and the second word, replace fa with jim, so it will be ja'ala, he made. Not only here. This is why we are here in Quran. If you see fa'ala, this is changing its shape. And in Quran, basically the one word is coming in different form. If I am not wrong, it is almost more than 20 words. 20 words with one word. One word is changing its shape. You will use in Quran, you will see Quran, there will be fa'ala, there will be fa'alta, there will be fa'alna, there will be yaf'alu, if'al, fa'il, maf'ul, just from one word. So what's up? So there should be someone who should come here and help us and tell us that why this one word is changing its shape throughout the Quran and what is the effect on the meaning. And that's why we are here in this class. That this is fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. Next, the same task as brother Akram Khan has did it. So ja'ala, just what we did, we replaced fa with jim and we have the new word. Ja'ala, he made. And how we make it? Just put it here. So it will be, this will be our template. Ja'ala, he made. Ja'alu, they made. Ja'alta, you made. Ja'altum, you all made. Ja'altu, I made. Ja'alna, we made. And just any word, any random, you will see here in the table. But don't worry about that. No need to go there. If you are not feeling comfortable, just be there. Practice on that. First on fa'ala, then replace fa with jim and ja'ala. Just to tell you, just to how we can increase our learning level and just making our comfort level little difficult, that let's say choose one word from here. Jama'a, he gathered. This is the starting word. So just for Arabic first, and I would ask someone from here to whom I did not choose, and just I am interested for the new students, and there are Brother Asad Aziz is there. If not, I would go to Brother Absar.
After by Assalamu alaikum, Asad Aziz will be old.
Oh no, okay, no problem.
Asif Aziz will be.
Asif Aziz, is he there in the class?
Asif?
No.
Asif, I cannot see him.
Okay, no
Yes,
problem.
brother, I'm here, brother.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I will start with Brother Absar and then I will come to us.
Yeah.
Brother Absar, just your task is no need to go the meaning. This is Jama'a. You have to fit here and make it. Let's Jama'a. So what will happen? Ending sound will change. So start here.
Jama'a, Jama'u, Jama'ta, Jama'tum, Jama'tu, Jama'na.
Very nice. Very nicely pronounced. So Jama'a means?
Jama'a means he did. Or he gathered, sorry, because Jama'a is gathered. He gathered.
He gathered. This is past tense. And if I ask you to do it again with translation, Jama'a.
Jama'a, he gathered.
Next one.
Jama'u, they gathered. Jama'ta, you gathered. Jama'tum, you all gathered. Jama'tu, I gathered. Jama'na, we gathered.
Thank you very much. Jazakallah khairan. So this is what we have did. So over to you, Dr. We have to go to the breakout room for practice, inshallah.